5 winter home maintenance tips for new homeowners. 8. Winter is here. And for new homeowners, it's essential to be prepared for the challenges that come with freezing temperatures and snowfall. Use our key winter home maintenance tips for new homeowners to help ensure your house stays warm, dry, and safe this winter season. Don't worry if you're a new homeowner. This guide is specifically designed to help make your first winter in a new home a little easier. 1. Insulate your home. A well-insulated home is crucial for retaining warmth during cold months. Check your attic, walls, and basement for adequate insulation, and consider upgrading insulation if necessary. Don't forget to seal gaps around windows and doors, as drafts can lead to higher energy bills. 2. Protect your pipes. Frozen pipes can result in costly water damage and expensive repairs. Insulate your pipes, especially those exposed to cold air or located in unheated areas. Keep your home's temperature at a consistent level to prevent freezing, and be sure to know how to tell if your pipes are frozen and what to do if they are. 3. Maintain your heating system. Regularly check your furnace and heating system for any inefficiencies or signs of wear. Replace the air filter on your furnace monthly, and schedule an annual tune-up with a professional to prolong the life of your heating system. Additionally, clean and maintain your fireplace and chimney, if you have one, to help prevent chimney fires. 4. Clear snow and ice. To prevent accidents and potential damage to your home, make sure to keep your walkways, driveways, and stairs free from snow and ice. Invest in a quality snow shovel or a snowblower, and consider using a de-icing product to make this task easier. Inspect your roof regularly for ice dams, which can cause damage to your gutters and roof if left unchecked. 5. Check your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. Winter sees a rise in residential fires and carbon monoxide poisoning due to increased heating systems and fireplace usage. Test your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors monthly and replace batteries as needed to ensure they're working effectively. If you don't already have both detectors, install them immediately to protect your home and family. Taking preventative measures and being proactive are key in winter home maintenance. The above winter home maintenance tips for new homeowners will not only help you stay warm and safe this season, but can also save you time and money in the long run.